Today on Delft Stack, I will show you how to fix the error you see when installing Windows 11 with code 44. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable. If you're using a VPN, turn it off for now. Also, check if your antivirus or firewall is blocking the installer. You can temporarily turn them off and try again. Next, right-click on the Windows 11 installer and choose Run as administrator. Many error codes happen simply because Windows blocks the installer from doing important tasks. Running it as admin often fixes this. If the installer still fails, download the Media Creation tool from the official Microsoft website. This tool gives you the latest Windows 11 setup files. Sometimes your old installer becomes corrupted or outdated, and using the Media Creation tool gives you a clean version. You can also delete the Windows download folder so your system can download fresh setup files. Go to your C drive, then open the Windows folder, then open the software distribution folder, and delete the download folder inside it. This does not harm your system. It only removes old update files. After deleting it, restart your PC and try installing Windows 11 again. Now, clear your temporary files. Open the Start menu and type Disk Cleanup. Select your main drive and remove temporary files, old setup files, and anything not needed. After cleaning, try the installation again. You can also use the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, and open Other Troubleshooters. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and let Windows scan for issues and apply fixes. These steps should help you fix error code 44 when installing Windows 11. Thank you for watching.